Asikubingelele sikwamukele kule channel. Sicela isiqiniseko sokucindezela subscribe button. Iya ngokukhulu ingcindezi yokhulumweni wokubusa ukubambisana ohlongozwayo eNingizimu Afrika. Lokho kulandela ukuthi i-EFF ikhaba ngazo zombili-ke eyokuthi ngaba uhulumeni nokubusa nokubambisana ne-DA kanye ne-FF Plus. Lokho kuvele ngenkathi-ke uchairperson we-EFF uVeronique Mathe ekhuluma kwesinye seyiteshi zemsakazo uchaza ukuthi-ke i-EFF ayisoze yazibandakanya kuhulumeni wodwa nalamaqembu.
For as long as the GNU is going to invite the white people whom are perpetuating the colonization and the apartheid system through the ANC government, they are invited back into the GNU to lead this country. The EFF is not going to...
uVeronica eqhubeka ne-interview yakhe esiteshini somsakazo ebuza ukuthi ngabe bazobe khona yini bona-ke njenge-EFF noma banabo bazolwisana nokuthi bayohlala ePhalamende, uthi ngempela bazobe bekhona kodwa ngeke babe ingxenye yezinto ezizobe zenziwe ePhalamende. Ubeke kanje.
No, in Parliament we are going to be there. We are going to be opposition for as long as there is an open invite to the oppressors of the black people, which is the Freedom Front Plus, DA. We are not going to be part of the executive. We will be there sitting for our people, and we will make sure that we fight for the black people.